What's going on, all you tech subscribers? It is that time. Do a little unboxing action today. Literally trying to do an unboxing with one hand because I don't have a tripod. But it's really funny that I say that because, funnily enough, is a UBeesize magnetic tripod. Let's go. Okay, I totally forgot I ordered like a book as well. This book is about to be fire too. But anyways, I don't want to take away from the tripod one. Maybe I'll do a book review on this later. Let's unbox this up. Oh, it's literally just the thing. There's no bag for it. All right, let's see how it is. Oh, that's sick. Dude, I know the 3%. Oh, here we go. Ah. All right, now we're in business. Look at that. That's sick. Okay, so there's nothing covering it now. If I just turn it this way, this is really cool. Okay, and then I can just say it here and talk. So it's about chin level to me right now, and I'm right here. It moves a little too much. It moves quite a little bit. Like the MagSafe is actually really good. So I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. I don't have anything else to record with besides my iPhone 13 mini. So check it out. You guys see that? Like, you guys hear that sound? Boom, let's go, hands-free. I'll definitely take this with me to record places, and if I need to record any like type of landscape things behind me, I think this would do really well. The only thing I'm concerned about is if it gets windy, it might shake a little too much. Like, it's like very shaky. Like the bass isn't as strong as I would like because it's like a tripod, but not in a traditional way. It's honestly like very high up, but the bass isn't very sturdy or strong. So that's the only qualm I have with it. But other than that, it should be pretty good for a lot of indoor recording and then like outdoor recording when it's not windy. I've really been using this tripod, like just a normal one with my my Manfrotto grip. That's the other thing with this one. I wish I could interchange this because there are times where I would want to use lighting on like a cold shoe mount. I like this MagSafe one. It's very convenient. I think it'll be really good. So overall, great purchase. I think it's like 40 bucks, maybe 30 bucks. And then tomorrow's unboxing will be some fun stuff as well. And then we'll get that set up. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.